CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Ultimately speaking, with Circle Internet Group, all I'm looking to do, mate, is just double down and buy. But you can see, unfortunately, my break-evens just got hit. I mean, from beforehand, I called out this moment exactly here. I've done 42,000 videos, documented them all. It's taken me 5 years. But in this particular instance, I guess we need to go for the second run. Because break-evens got hit, you know, so the only thing that's going to matter to me is if the rules are still met. And guess what? If they're not, then there is nothing that's going to make me sort of buy, right? And I know people are going to like to overcomplicate stuff here. But ultimately, if there's no confirmation or this red thing doesn't quite happen, then I'm not buying. And all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. See ya.